Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel that brings you the latest and greatest in trending products. Welcome to Bestsellers Market. I'm thrilled to have you here with us today. Whether you're a savvy shopper looking for the best deals or someone who loves discovering new products, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the world of winter products on Amazon. Introducing number 5 on our countdown of the best-selling winter products on Amazon, the Prestone as 244 Windshield de-icer, 17 ounces. Aerosol, in a convenient twin pack. Ever struggled with frozen windshields during those bone-chilling mornings? Prestone has engineered the perfect solution. This isn't just any de-icer. It's a high-methanol powerhouse designed to obliterate ice in seconds. That's right, the Prestone Windshield de-icer boasts an exceptionally high methanol content, translating to unrivaled ice-melting prowess. Imagine this. You step out into the frigid morning air, greeted by a thick layer of ice gripping your windshield. A couple of sprays from the Prestone de-icer, and that stubborn ice doesn't stand a chance. Watch as it rapidly dissolves, turning your ice-covered obstacle into a clear, safe driving surface. But wait, there's more. This isn't just about melting ice quickly. It's about doing so effectively and safely. The high-performance concentrated formula ensures not only fast ice melting, but also helps to reduce the risk of dangerous refreeze. You won't have to worry about reapplying or dealing with slippery spots as you drive. It's peace of mind in a can. And let's talk about convenience. The Prestone de-icer comes equipped with a built-in ice scraper, but not just any scraper. This is a uniquely designed micro-edge scraper, crafted to endure tough use and clear away ice with ease. No more fumbling with flimsy plastic tools or struggling to scrape off every last bit of frost. This sturdy, reliable scraper gets the job done quickly, so you can be on your way in no time. In a world where winter driving can be treacherous, the Prestone as 244 Windshield de-icer stands out as a must-have. It's more than just a product. It's your ally against the harshest elements. Say goodbye to tedious mornings spent battling ice and hello to effortless, clear windshields. This twin pack ensures you're always prepared, keeping one at home and one in your car. So for those seeking a powerful, reliable, and convenient solution to winter's icy grip, the Prestone Windshield de-icer is your answer. It's no wonder it's a bestseller. Trust in Prestone and drive safely all winter long. As we continue our countdown of the top 5 best-selling winter products on Amazon, we arrive at an absolute game-changer for cold weather. Number 4, the Johnsen 6752 Premium Starting Fluid, 10.7 ounces. Picture this. It's a brutally cold morning, and your engine refuses to start. Frustration builds as you crank the ignition repeatedly, draining your battery with every futile attempt. Enter Johnson's Premium Starting Fluid. This isn't your ordinary starting fluid. It's a powerhouse blend, with an impressive 50% ether content. This potent formula is engineered to awaken even the most stubborn engines in the harshest of conditions. The magic of Johnson's lies in its lightning-fast action. A quick spray, and the engine roars to life. No more waiting, no more uncertainty, just instant ignition. But that's not all. Johnson's starting fluid does more than just save your time. It saves your battery too. By minimizing the strain on your battery, it extends its life and ensures you're never left stranded. But Johnson's thought of everything. This premium fluid includes an upper cylinder lubricant, offering added protection for your engine. It's not just about starting. It's about caring for your vehicle's vital components, ensuring longevity and peak performance. And here's the real clincher. Johnson's performs flawlessly at temperatures as low as -65 degrees Fahrenheit. That's right, even in the most extreme, bone-chilling cold, this fluid maintains its efficacy. It's the ultimate cold weather ally, designed to deliver reliable starts when you need them most. So whether you're a seasoned mechanic or just a driver looking to make it through winter's worst, Johnson's 6752 Premium Starting Fluid is your trusted companion. With this in your toolkit, the cold doesn't stand a chance. Say goodbye to stubborn engines and dead batteries, and say hello to dependable starts and peace of mind. Stay tuned as we continue our countdown, unveiling the very best winter products Amazon has to offer. Next on our countdown of the top 5 best-selling winter products on Amazon is number 3, Johnson's 6762 12 PK Starting Fluid, 10.7 ounces, available in a convenient pack of 12. Imagine, if you will, the biting cold of a winter morning. Your breath hangs in the air, and your vehicle sits stubbornly silent, refusing to start. Enter Johnson's 6762 Starting Fluid. This isn't just any starting fluid, it's a cold weather hero. With its powerful formula, it breathes life into even the most reluctant engines, ensuring you're not left stranded in the freezing cold. What makes Johnson stand out? It's all in the formulation. This starting fluid is designed to save your battery, reducing the wear and tear caused by repeated starting attempts. A single spray is often all it takes to bring your engine roaring to life. No more endless cranking, no more frustration, just instant, reliable ignition. But there's more to this little canister than meets the eye. Johnson's 6762 contains upper cylinder lubricants, offering an added layer of protection for your engine. It's not just about starting your vehicle, it's about maintaining the health and longevity of its vital components. Your engine will thank you. And here's the clincher. Johnson's performs exceptionally well even in temperatures as low as -65 degrees Fahrenheit. That's right, this fluid stands strong in the face of the most extreme cold, ensuring your engine starts reliably, no matter how harsh the winter. Now, let's talk about value. This product comes in a pack of 12. That's right, 12 cans of this essential winter tool. Whether you're stocking up for personal use or ensuring every vehicle in your fleet is covered, Johnson's has you prepared. It's the perfect blend of performance and practicality. So, for those mornings when the cold feels relentless and your engine feels like it's given up, Johnson's 6762 12 PK Starting Fluid is your steadfast ally. It's more than a product, it's peace of mind in a can. Reliable, powerful, and protective, Johnson's is the ultimate winter companion for your engine. Stay with us as we continue to reveal the top 2 winter essentials that you won't want to miss. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling winter products on Amazon? Snow kidding if you are. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay frosty with our latest updates. Unveiling number 2 in our countdown of the best-selling winter products on Amazon, we present the STA-BIL Starting Fluid, the ultimate solution for effortless engine starts, even in the harshest conditions. Picture the scene. Temperatures plummet to an unbearable -65 degrees Fahrenheit. Your vehicle sits in the cold, lifeless, and unresponsive. With STA-BIL Starting Fluid, those frigid mornings are no longer a challenge. This powerful fluid guarantees faster starts, cutting through the cold to ignite your engine with ease. But STA-BIL doesn't stop at just starting your engine. This formula is meticulously crafted with upper cylinder lubricants and corrosion inhibitors. It's not just about getting you moving, it's about protecting your engine, ensuring it runs smoothly and stays in top condition. Imagine the peace of mind, knowing your engine is shielded from wear and corrosion, all while achieving those critical starts in freezing temperatures. Versatility is the hallmark of STA-BIL Starting Fluid. It's designed for both gasoline and diesel engines, making it perfect for a wide array of vehicles and equipment. From cars and trucks to motorcycles, tractors, buses, marine engines, lawnmowers, snowmobiles, snowblowers, and even construction equipment, STA-BIL has you covered. Whatever the engine, wherever the place, this fluid is your go-to solution. And there's more. STA-BIL Starting Fluid is engineered with your vehicle's health in mind. It will not harm catalytic converters or oxygen sensors, ensuring that your engine remains compliant and efficient. Plus, STA-BIL products are reliable for up to 2 years after opening. Just remember to mark the date on the back of the package, ensuring you always know the fluid's freshness. Imagine a product that not only ensures your engine starts in the bitter cold but also prolongs the life of your starter. STA-BIL is that product. It's more than just starting fluid. It's an investment in your vehicle's longevity and reliability. So, for those daunting winter days when the cold seems insurmountable, reach for STA-BIL Starting Fluid. It's not just about starting your engine, It's about doing so with confidence, protecting your investment, and ensuring you're never left out in the cold. Stay tuned as we reveal the #1 winter essential on Amazon, one you won't want to miss.
And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the #1 best-selling winter product on Amazon. Drumroll, please. Introducing the Gumout 5072866 Starting Fluid. This isn't just a product, it's your engine's best friend, especially in the harshest of winter conditions. Imagine a frigid morning where the temperature has plummeted and your vehicle sits motionless, refusing to start. Gumout Starting Fluid is here to save the day. Designed to perform in all types of extreme weather, this fluid ensures that your gasoline engine springs to life with ease. It's the all-weather warrior you need when the cold bites hardest. The brilliance of Gumout lies not only in its starting prowess, but also in its preventive capabilities. This spray conditions fuel and engine parts, preventing friction and inhibiting corrosion. Think about it. Every spray not only starts your engine, but also extends its life, safeguarding the components that keep your vehicle running smoothly. It's like giving your engine a protective shield against the elements. Simplicity is key with Gumout. Using it couldn't be easier. Just spray directly into the carburetor, air cleaner, or air intake for a few seconds and then start the engine. No need to flood the engine, and remember, always start with the air filter in place. It's straightforward, efficient, and gets you on your way without fuss. Versatility is another hallmark of this incredible product. Gumout Starting Fluid is perfect for all gasoline engines. Whether it's your car, van, truck, lawnmower, tractor, or even a rototiller, Gumout is your go-to solution. It's the ultimate multi-purpose starting fluid that adapts to your needs, making sure your engine starts smoothly no matter what. And there you have it, the top-selling winter essential that Amazon customers can't get enough of. Gumout 5072866. Starting fluid doesn't just promise quick starts in cold weather. It delivers on that promise while ensuring your engine stays healthy and robust. It's more than a can of starting fluid. It's peace of mind, reliability, and protection all rolled into one. As you brace for the winter months ahead, make sure Gumout Starting Fluid is in your arsenal. Trust in its power, rely on its protection, and enjoy the confidence of knowing your engine is in the best hands. Thank you for joining us in this countdown of the top 5 best-selling winter products on Amazon. Stay warm, stay safe, and let these incredible products help you conquer the cold with ease.
We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling winter products on Amazon. To stay up to date with all the top sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.